So, hello everyone, how are you? I hope all you are doing great. So, welcome back to the another sessions of improving our English speaking skills with me. How to speak English very well, fluent within 10 days. You want to speak English fluent in just 10 days? That's challenging goal, but with the intense practice and dedication, you can make significant progress. Here are plans to help you improve your English speaking skills in a short way. डे वन डे वन और टू में क्या करेंगे दोस्तों? डे वन और टू में ग्रामर रिव्यूज़ एंड वोकेबलरी बिल्डिंग्स। ग्रामर रिव्यूज़ एंड वोकेबलरी बिल्डिंग्स। फोकस ऑन ग्रामर रूल्स एंड प्रैक्टिस वोकेबलरी एक्सरसाइज. Listen to English podcast and audio books for a 1 hour. What? Listen to English podcast or audio books for a 1 hour. Day and what we do? Day 3 or 4. Learn vocabulary and conversation. Learn 20 new vocabulary words. Use them in a sentence. Use them in sentence. Practice pronunciation and intonation. Practice pronunciation and intonation. Engage in a two conversation with the native speakers. Engage in a two conversations with native speakers or language exchange others. Day 5 to 6 में what we do? Day 5 or 6 watch English videos. What we do? You do watch English videos. Watch English videos TV shows with the subtitles for 2 hours. Practice speaking with the friends or a family members for 30 minutes. What do we do? Practice speaking with the friends or family members for 30 minutes. Record yourselves speaking and listen to improve. Record yourselves for speaking and listen to improve. Focus on pronunciation. Focus on pronunciation. Practice correct pronunciation and intonation. Listen to the speakers. Listen to the native speakers and mimic their speech pattern and mimic their speech pattern. Also engage in a two more conversation with the native speakers. What do we do? Also engage in a two more conversation with the native speakers. Day 9 to 10 confidence building. Practice speaking for 1 hour. Practice speaking for 1 hour without stopping. Focus on complex grammar. Focus on complex grammar and vocabulary. Record yourself and listen to the track progress. Record yourself and listen to the track process. Additional tips. कुछ एडिशनल टिप्स बताएंगे. सराउंड योरसेल्फ विद इंग्लिश. एडिशनल टिप्स में क्या होता है दोस्तों? Surround yourselves with English language media. Use language learning apps. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel. Duolingo or Babbel. Stay motivated and focused. Stay motivated and focused. Remember, this plan is intensive and consistent. Remember, this plan is intensive में क्या होता है? इंटेंसिव मीन होता है तीव्र एंड कंसिस्टेंट. प्रैक्टिस इन ए क्रूशियल. Focus on building your confidence. Focus on your building and confidence and fluency rather than perfection. Rather than perfections. And vocabulary. जिसे vocabulary को कहते हैं डाउनपोर मीन क्या? मूसलाधार बारिश होना. डाउनपोर मीनिंग मूसलाधार बारिश. हैव इसका सिनोनिम से हैवी रेन या रेनफॉल. रिपाइन. रिपाइन में शिकायत करना होता है. कंप्लेन, लेमेंट, फस. डिवोनर में निकलता आकर्षण, आकर्षक. डिवोनेर. स्मार्ट या इलिजेंट. ए ड्रॉप इन द ओशियंस. ऊँट के मुंह में जीरा. ए ड्रॉप इन द ओशियंस. ऊँट के मुंह में जीरा. ए पीस ऑफ केक मैंने बहुत आसान. ए पीस ऑफ केक मैंने बहुत आसान. इंटेंसिव में निकलता इंटेंसिव में तीव्र. इंटेंसिव में तीव्र. सो थैंक यू दोस्तों.